The compression spring applies tension to the battery terminal. The spring allows the terminal to have a little play, so it isn't damaged if the tool is dropped. It also keeps the terminal pressed firmly against the battery contacts. Over time, the spring can lose its tension, which can lead to intermittent contact between the battery and the terminal. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front gear case. I'll remove the anvil from the gear case. Now I'll remove half of the handle housing. There's a sticker at the rear of the housing I'll cut in half. Now I can replace the compression spring. The spring's located just behind the battery terminal. I'll pull the terminal away from the housing to release the old spring. I'll place the new spring against the battery terminal, compress it, and slide the terminal back into the case. Now I can reinstall the other half of the housing. Now I'll install the anvil onto the gearbox. I'll make sure I offset the ears on the anvil with the hammers on the gearbox. And I'll reinstall the gear case, sliding it over the handle and aligning it with the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the compression spring in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.